Looking for great fishing gear without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down 8 fishing products on sale for Amazon Prime Day 2026 that deliver excellent value for the money. From handy accessories to game-changing gear, there's something here for every angler and budget. Stick around until the end to see which option takes the top spot. At number 8, we have the SureCut resistant gloves. This might not be the first thing that comes to mind when shopping for fishing gear, but once you start using them, it's hard to go back. Anyone who regularly handles fish with sharp fins, braided line, hooks, fillet knives, or rough fishing equipment knows how easy it is to end the day with cuts and scraped hands. These gloves are designed to add an extra layer of protection without making your hands feel bulky or restricted. The snug fit helps maintain dexterity, which is especially important when tying knots, rigging bait, or removing hooks from a catch. They also feature touchscreen-compatible fingertips, so you can check maps, weather updates, or fishing apps without constantly taking them off. For anglers who value safety and convenience while keeping full control of their gear, this is a simple upgrade that can make every trip more comfortable. That practical usefulness is what earns these gloves a spot in our ranking. Coming in at number 7, we have the KastKing Foldable Fishing Net, a piece of gear that can make a bigger difference than many anglers expect. There's nothing worse than fighting a good fish all the way to the shoreline or boat side, and then losing it during the final moments. This net helps solve that problem by giving you a safer and more controlled way to land your catch. The extendable handle provides extra reach when you need it, while the foldable design makes it easy to store in a kayak boat compartment or even the trunk of your car. Another feature anglers will appreciate is the fish-friendly mesh, which helps reduce tangles and minimizes stress on the fish during catch and release sessions. It's lightweight enough to carry all day without becoming a burden, yet sturdy enough for regular use. For anglers looking for a practical upgrade that improves landing success and convenience at the same time, this is an easy addition to any fishing setup, which is why it earns the number 7 spot on our list. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking the number 6 spot is the Deeper Pro Plus 2, a gadget that brings a surprising amount of technology to almost any fishing trip. If you've ever wondered whether fish are actually in the area, or if you're just casting blindly, this device can give you a much clearer picture of what's happening underwater. Simply cast it out, connect it to your smartphone, and you'll be able to see depth changes, bottom structure, vegetation, and fish activity in real time. That means less guessing and more time targeting productive areas. It's especially useful for shore anglers, kayak fishermen, and anyone exploring unfamiliar waters without access to a traditional boat-mounted fish finder. Another big advantage is the ability to create bathymetric maps as you fish, helping you build a better understanding of your favorite spots over time. While it represents a bigger investment than some basic accessories, the information it provides can dramatically improve decision-making on the water. For anglers who enjoy combining technology with strategy, this is an impressive tool that easily earns its place at number 6. At number 5, we have a product that many anglers don't think they need until they catch a fish worth talking about. The Maya Digital Fishing Scale is one of those simple tools that can quickly become a permanent part of your tackle bag. Instead of guessing whether that bass, pike, or catfish is your personal best, you get an accurate weight in seconds. The large backlit display is easy to read even in low light conditions, which is useful for early morning or late evening trips when some of the biggest fish tend to bite. Its compact size means it takes up almost no room, yet it can handle surprisingly heavy catches. Beyond bragging rights, it's also great for anglers who like tracking their progress over time or participating in friendly competitions with friends. The sturdy hook and straightforward controls keep things simple when you're already focused on handling a fish. It's affordable, practical, and surprisingly useful, making it a smart addition for anyone who enjoys documenting their catches, and a deserving entry at number 5 in today's countdown. Sliding into the number 4 position is the KastKing SteelStream Fishing Tool Kit, and this is the kind of package that can instantly make your fishing trips more organized and efficient. Instead of carrying a collection of separate tools and hoping you remembered everything before leaving home, this kit bundles several of the essentials into one convenient setup. You get tools for cutting line, removing hooks, handling fish, and even a fillet knife for cleaning your catch once the day is done. What makes it especially appealing is that every piece serves a purpose, helping reduce clutter while keeping the gear you use most within reach. It's a great option for beginners building their tackle collection, but even experienced anglers can appreciate having a coordinated set ready to go. The included lanyards and accessories add extra convenience, especially when fishing from a kayak, dock, or boat, where drop tools can quickly disappear forever. Rather than spending money buying each item separately, this kit offers a practical all-in-one solution that delivers solid value, which is exactly why it lands at number 4 on our countdown. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Plus Inno Fishing Lures Kit, and if you're the type of angler who likes having options for different conditions, this set offers a lot to work with right out of the box. One of the biggest challenges in fishing is figuring out what fish want on a particular day, and having a variety of lures can dramatically improve your chances. This kit includes an impressive mix of soft baits, hard baits, hooks, weights, swivels, and other useful tackle, giving you the flexibility to adapt, whether you're targeting bass, trout, panfish, or other freshwater species. It's also a great choice for beginners because it removes much of the guesswork involved in building a tackle collection from scratch. Instead of buying individual pieces one by one, you get a wide assortment neatly organized in a portable case. Even experienced anglers can appreciate having a backup tackle box loaded with proven essentials. The overall quality-to-price ratio is what really makes this kit stand out, delivering versatility, convenience, and value in one package, which is exactly why it earns the number 3 position on our list. In the runner-up position at number 2, we have the KastKing Royale Legend Bait Casting Reel. This is the kind of upgrade that many anglers notice from the very first cast. If you've been using entry-level reels and want something that feels smoother, more precise, and more enjoyable to fish with, this model delivers an impressive experience without pushing into premium price territory. One of its biggest strengths is control. The braking system helps reduce frustrating backlashes, making it friendlier for anglers who are still building confidence with baitcasters while still offering the performance experienced fishermen expect. The lightweight design also helps reduce fatigue during long days on the water, especially when you're constantly casting and retrieving. Whether you're working crankbaits, jigs, spinnerbaits, or soft plastics, the reel feels responsive and comfortable in hand. It strikes a balance between performance, durability, and affordability that can be difficult to find in this category. For anglers looking to step up their fishing setup without overspending, the Royale Legend offers outstanding value, which is exactly why it earns the number 2 spot in today's ranking. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Plus Inno Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. What makes this package stand out isn't just one feature, it's the fact that it gives you almost everything you need to start fishing in a single purchase. For beginners, that means less confusion and fewer extra expenses. For experienced anglers, it means having a portable backup setup that's always ready for spontaneous trips. The telescopic rod collapses down to a compact size, making it easy to store in a vehicle, backpack, or travel bag without sacrificing the reach and performance needed on the water. The included spinning reel, fishing line, lures, hooks, and accessories create a complete kit that lets you start fishing almost immediately. This is especially useful for travelers, casual weekend anglers, or anyone who values convenience. While dedicated enthusiasts may eventually upgrade individual components, the overall value here is hard to ignore. You get portability, versatility, and a surprisingly complete fishing setup for the price, if you're looking for the option that delivers the most balanced combination of convenience, functionality, and value during Prime Day. This is the one that stands above the rest and earns the top position in today's ranking.